In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Logseq to GitHub pages. We'll get your workspace ready by installing the GitHub integration inside Logseq so you can deploy your notes to a GitHub pages site with confidence. Start by heading to the official Logseq website in your browser. This ensures you're working from the right place and on a recent version. If you already have Logseq open on your computer, that's great. The website simply gives you a consistent reference point and access to documentation if you need it along the way. Once you're in Logseq, look to the top right corner of the app window for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the ellipsis. This menu is the gateway to settings and tools you'll use less frequently, including the plugin system that makes publishing possible. Click that three-dot icon to open the menu. From the menu, choose Plugins. Plugins extend what Logseq can do without changing your existing notes. They're modular, easy to manage, and you can enable, disable, or remove them at any time. Opening the Plugins panel also helps you confirm that your environment supports community extensions and that everything loads properly. Inside the Plugins panel, go to the Marketplace. This is the official catalog of community-built add-ons. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment to load. If you still don't see it, make sure you're online and that you're using a desktop build that supports plugins. The Marketplace organizes plugins by popularity and category, but the search bar is the quickest way to find what you need. In the Marketplace search, type GitHub, then click Install on the GitHub-related plugin that supports publishing or deploying to GitHub pages. The listing typically mentions GitHub pages, publishing, or deployment in its description. After you click Install, wait for the confirmation that it's been added and make sure it's enabled. You can open the plugin's details to review its overview and any notes about permissions or required setup. This is also a good moment to skim the plugin's README so you understand what settings it exposes and where to find its commands in Logseq. With the GitHub plugin installed, you've laid the groundwork for publishing. The plugin will guide you through connecting to your GitHub account, choosing or preparing a repository, and configuring options like branches, site visibility, and which pages or folders to include. A few practical tips as you proceed. Keep a backup of your graph, start with a small test publish to confirm everything looks right, and review any filters to avoid pushing private content. If the Marketplace or install step fails, update Logseq and try again, or check the plugin's issue tracker for your platform. Once configured, you'll be ready to push your Logseq content to GitHub pages with just a couple of clicks.